Hey guys, Bill Connolly here, and I just want to give you a quick way that you can manually put someone into your back office in any position that you want to do. So I'm going to sign in right here from your website or wherever you're signing in from. You're going to use your username. You're going to use your password, and you're going to get into the back office. All right. All right, log in, your password, yeah, right. All right. So now that we're signed in, you're going to come to this page. You're going to click on the business, okay? And this is going to open up your business back office. All right, so here you are. You're in your business back office. It's going to have your volume on your left, your volume on your right. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. So I do have one side that's booming. I'm only building the right side, like I told people. So everybody I bring in is going to go into the right side. So what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how to do this. And this is basically clicking on your profile. Okay. I'm clicking on my profile. Now, when I click on this, my information, my address, all that stuff is on that page. So I'm going to pause this for just 1 second. And then I'm going to come back, click on profile. And then I'm going to hit settings. Okay, so what I did was I went into my profile and I clicked on settings, and basically this opened up. Now, if you're in your settings, your profile is going to show you all your information, like your address and all that stuff. I paused it so I could not show that. I went over here, I clicked on settings. Okay. Now, what you can do is you can go right here and you can determine where you want people to be placed. Now, you're always going to need an active on your right side. Okay. You can see I have it set for right. So that's the side I'm building. Hopefully you'll get some spill over that. And then also you're going to want to either hit alternate or left once you have some people in your right leg. Okay. You always need an active person in your right leg, whether you want to make it a family member or somebody and then buy the product. You need an active person in your right leg. Then if you want to just build your left leg, you click on that and save, or if you want it to rotate back and forth, right there. So I definitely wanted to show you that. All right, now let's go down here to organization. And if we click on that, you can see the tree. And then we're going to go down where it says bottom right. That will be the far bottom, and you will see an open spot. So wherever you see an open spot, that's where you can place somebody, okay? So if you want to give somebody, hey, I got 30 free days for it, you can get in, you can have a spot, you know, you can build, you can make commissions, you can use your commissions to pay for your product, whatever it is, boom, this is where you go. So you go down to the bottom of the one leg, whether it's the right or the left, and then you click on that, the one that's open, and this will open up. And then what you're going to do is you're going to put in a username that they want, a password. I normally give people a simple password. Once I make it, they can change it if they want, their first name, their last name, the email, the phone number, and their address. Then when you click the review, it's going to say all that information. You're going to verify and you're going to make it. Now, country, you got to go click here and go to the country they're at. At the very bottom is the United States. All right. Then once you review it and then you hit the next button, boom, they would show up in your tree and have their own account with their username. All right. With their username. And then you give them your username, the password, the login, let them get in the back office. Then you want to get them into the testimonial Facebook group. And then you want to get them into the main team group as well. Okay, so I hope this helps you. If you want to put somebody in without them having to go to the one site, fill out their name, their email, make a purchase, all that good stuff, boom, you can go right here, put them in, they get 30 free days, they can build, they can profit, they can use that profit to buy product, and that's how you do it. All right, you have a blessed day.